Hello children. Question number 13. Usha has 3 times as many 2 rupees coin as she has 5 rupees coins. If she has in all sum of rupees 77, how many coins are of each type? So the 2 rupees coin is 3 times of 5 rupees coin. So firstly we will suppose let 5 rupees coin equals to x. Hence 2 rupees coin equals to 3x means 3 times. And as you know, all sum equals to 77. So we will make a equation here. The x and x is 5 rupees coin. So we will multiply it by 5 plus because there is sum, and 2 rupees coin 3x multiplied by 2 because there is 2 rupee coin and equals to 77. Let's multiply 5 multiplied by x 5x, 2 3 ja 6x equals to 77. 5x plus 6x is equal to 11x equals to 77. Hence 11 will transfer to right side, so it will goes in division. The answer will be 7. So now you can understand 5 rupee coin equals to 5 rupee coin equals to x means 7. So number of 5 rupee coins is equal to 7 coins, and 2 rupee coins equals to 3x means 3 and multiplied by 7, that is 21. Okay, so this is your answer. Question number 14. Mamta has a total of rupees 590 as currency notes, the form of rupees 50, 20 and rupees 10. Means she has 10 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes and 50 rupees notes. And number of total notes is 25. Total notes 25. And ratio of rupees 20 and rupees 50 is ratio 5. Okay. So, and the total of the money rupees 590. So ratio of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes is 3:5, that is given. So let rupees 50 notes equals to 3x because 50 is 3 and rupees 20 is 5, so that is 5x. And total number of notes 25. Then how can we find out the rupees 10 notes? So rupees 10 notes we will subtract from 25 because total note is 25 and 5 rupees note is 5x, 3x and 20 rupees notes is 5x. So 3x plus 5x, that is 8x. Okay, so these are the number of 20 rupees 10 notes, 25 minus 8x. Total money is 590. So we will make an equation. The equation is 3x means rupees 50 notes and we will multiply it by 50 because these are 50 notes, plus 20 because 20 rupees notes multiplied by 5x, plus 10 multiplied by 25 minus 8x equals to total money 590. 5 3 ja 50, 0 means 150, 25 ja 100x, plus this 10 will multiply in both, 25 10 ja 250 minus 10 8 ja 80x equals to 590. This is only non-x या non this number you will send to other side. 150 and 100, 250x minus 80x equals to 590 minus 250 because this will go other side. 250 minus 80, 0 minus 0, 0, 15 minus 8, 7, and here is 1. 0 minus 0, 9 minus 5, 4, 5 minus 2, 3. X is equal to 160 will divide to other side, means 340 upon 170. 0 0 cancel. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34. X is equal to 2. Hence, the rupees 50 notes equals to 3x, means 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Rupees 20 notes is equal to 5x, means 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. And rupees 10 notes is equal to 25 minus 8x, means 25 minus 8 multiplied by 2, 25 minus 16, 25 minus 16 equals to 9. Okay, so this is our answer. And if you add 10, 6, 16 and 69, 25. Question number 15 you are seeing on the screen. In a rational number, the denominator is 2 more than the numerator. Means denominator is 2 bigger to numerator. So let numerator equal to x and denominator is 2 more than. So we will add 2 in x. So denominator is equal to x plus 2. And as you know, the fraction formula is equal to numerator upon denominator. So numerator is x and denominator is x plus 2. But according to condition, 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. So here we have to add 3 in numerator and denominator. X plus 3, x plus 2 plus 3, x plus 3 upon x plus 5. This is. And the last condition is then rational number becomes 5 upon 6. So we will put this equation equals to x plus 3 upon x plus 5 equals to 5 upon 6. Here we will do the cross multiplication. 6 multiplied into x plus 3 and 5 is multiplied x plus 5. 6x plus 18, here 5x plus 25. 5 will come to left side because 6 is greater and 18 goes to other right side because 25 is greater. Minus will not come by this method. 6x minus 5x is equal to 25 minus 18. X is equal to 7. Okay. Hence, fraction is equal to fraction x upon x plus 2. This is x upon x plus 2. The value of x is 7 upon 7 plus 2. That is 7 upon 9. This is our answer.